Heartily welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel C Sansar. I'm speaking Stella from the C Sansar. Today is the very much important topic which everyone should know about that. The topic is the big breaking news about the bank audit. For that, our special guest is the C. Vivek Khurana sir. First of all, thank you so much, sir, to joining us and also giving your valuable time to us. Before we further ado, I having a smallest request to all of you, those are watching us, to subscribe our YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, share, comment. Now, sir, I would like to invite you and please guide us about this news and also in easy way.
Thank you very much, Stella, and the team CS Ansar for giving me the opportunity once again at your platform to discuss on one very much important and breaking news. And what's the breaking news? That recently RBI has removed one central statutory auditor or very famed bank. So let me show you. Recently, we have uploaded a video जो हमने रिकॉर्ड किया था पीछे regarding the name of the audit firms approved for appointment as central statutory auditor for 12 public sector banks. So that we had already discussed, and now RBI अभी latest they have approved in this, and then now they have removed for one bank, and which was the bank? Very renowned bank, Punjab National Bank. In Punjab National Bank, RBI has approved five audit firms as the central statutory auditors for the financial year 25-26. First was Umed Jain and Company, third year, NK Bhargava and Company, third year, PSD and Associate, third year, Prem Gupta and Company, second year, and PA and Associates, second year. Now RBI has removed पीएसडी एंड एसोसिएट्स जिनका थर्ड ईयर है, और अभी लेटेस्ट ही उनको अप्रूवल आया था रिगार्डिंग द सेंट्रल स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिटर फॉर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 25-26. And why RBI has removed? No information. And as per my knowledge, this PSD and Associates is of a central council member. सेंट्रल काउंसिल मेंबर की फॉर्म है पीएचडी एंड एसोसिएट. एज पर माय नॉलेज, यू पीपल कैन क्रॉस चेक इट, कैन चेक फ्रॉम द गूगल itself, but it's true, it's authentic news. And Punjab National Bank has sent the information to the stock exchange because it's a listed company. PNB आपकी listed company है, bank भी है listed company, and they have to inform to the stock exchange itself. तो let me show you that letter जो उन्होंने भेजा है stock exchange को. This is the letter. See, one moment. Yes, I think now it's visible. Yeah, this is Punjab National Bank and dated 25th March. अभी recently, अभी कल की ही न्यूज है, कल इवनिंग की. Now they sent change in central statutory auditors of the bank for the financial year 25-26. Why they are saying change? Because earlier it was 5, now it's 4. So they said, as per the RBI letter dated so and number so and so, dated so and so, Messrs PSD and Associates, chartered accountant, ceased to be a part of the team of the statutory center auditors of the bank with immediate effect. And then they said the following firms shall continue as statutory central auditors of the bank for the financial year 25-26. Messrs Umed Jain and Company, ये उनका FRN USCN नंबर है, थर्ड ईयर. NK Bhargava and Company, थर्ड ईयर. Messrs Prem Gupta and Company, सेकंड ईयर. PA and Associates, सेकंड ईयर. तो PSD and Associates जो मैंने को आपको बताया, जो इनके मेन ओनर्स हैं, वो सेंट्रल काउंसिल मेंबर है, अगेन क्रॉस चेक कर लेना. एंड दे सेड दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज बीइंग सबमिटेड, जो एज पर कंप्लायंस है सेबी वगैरह के, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली है. और ये उनके कंपनी सेक्रेटरी के नेम है पंजाब नेशनल बैंक के. एंड देन दे सेड डिस्क्लोजर रिक्वायरमेंट, रीजन फॉर चेंज. दे रीजन कि they said only pursuant to RBI letter dated 25th March 25-26 and date of season immediate effect 25th March 2026. तो पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ने एक सीएसए को रिमूव कर दिया है विद इमीडिएट इफेक्ट। कोई रीजन अभी नहीं बताया, कोई रीजन पब्लिकली नहीं हुआ, क्या इशू है क्या नहीं है। इफ दे हैव टू रिमूव, तो उन्होंने अपॉइंट क्यों किया? नाउ वेदर दे विल अपॉइंट ए न्यू firm as a central statutory auditor, or only four will continue as the central statutory auditor, because they have already started the work. सीएससी ने तो ऑलरेडी काम स्टार्ट कर दिया होगा, उनकी तो अपॉइंटमेंट पहले से ही हो जाती है। बट अगर उन्होंने रिमूव किया है तो व्हाट वुड बी द इफेक्ट? आईसीआई व्हाट विल वी डू? वेदर दे विल आस्क द आरबीआई क्या रीजंस है, क्या इश्यूज है, ब्रांच ऑडिटर्स के ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा, या पीएनबी के ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा। सो दीज लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर which we have to see. But this was the big breaking which I want to share with all of you. Once again, I want to just request all of you, do your work properly as per the RBI circulars, ICI guidance note, and अभी तो सेंट्रल स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिटर को रिमूव किया है, क्या रीजंस है किसी को नहीं पता। सो दिस वाज द न्यूज व्हिच यू वर आस्किंग स्टेला। सो आई थिंक इट्स ओके, एंड वंस अगेन माय सिंसियर थैंक्स। आई डोंट थिंक सो एनी क्वेश्चन वगैरह है और मैं आंसर भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा, बिकॉज इट्स द बैंक डिसीजन एज पर द आरबीआई पॉलिसी। जो आरबीआई ने उनको लेटर लिखा, दे आर नॉट टेलिंग द रीजन। सो वंस अगेन माय सिंसियर थैंक्स टू टीम CS संसार for giving me this opportunity. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Yes, Stella.
Thank you so much, sir. You explained very wonderfully, and that was the very much important topic. And thank you so much for giving your attention to us from the CSNSR team. Thank you to sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.